Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken nuggets. This is one of these recipes when I make, I cannot save some for the next day. Everybody loves it. They are crunchy, moist, and taste amazing. And I will teach you the secret on how to make them moist. I wish you will give it a try. Here I have 2 chicken breasts that I grinded in the food processor, and I added lamb fat, which I also grinded in the food processor. I added breadcrumbs, salt, and a black pepper. And now I'm going to combine everything and knead. Add eggs, and finally the secret ingredient, ice cold water. Now see the consistency, it's very moist. So I'm going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and give enough time for the breadcrumbs to absorb the liquid, and then I'll show you. See, now this is after about 15 minutes. See the consistency? Now they are ready to be shaped. But before I do that, I will prepare the breadcrumbs. Here, to the breadcrumbs, I'll make it a little spicy. This will give it a really nice taste. I have salt, turmeric, coriander, and white pepper. I'm going to combine everything. Now to shape them, I found this is the easiest way. Just make a ball and then flatten it out and roll them in the breadcrumbs on both sides, and that's it. But for kids, you could roll the meat out on a piece of a plastic wrap and then use a cookie cutter and cut it. I'm using ghee and I'm going to fry them on medium high. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment, and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel. And thank you for watching.